Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to our channel where we break down the secrets to financial success. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood and surrounded by skepticism: get rich quick. But hold on. Before you jump to conclusions, we're going to reshape how you think about this term. We're not talking about get rich easy scams. Those are often scams and unrealistic promises. Instead, we're talking about real strategies inspired by MJ DeMarco's groundbreaking book, The Millionaire Fastlane. So, buckle up and let's get started. First things first, when we say get rich quick, we don't mean you can just sit back, relax, and money will magically appear in your bank account. Nope, that's a fantasy. Get rich quick means accelerating your journey to wealth with smart, strategic actions. It's about leveraging opportunities, working hard, and thinking outside the box. And no one explains this better than MJ DeMarco in The Millionaire Fastlane. So, let's break it down. DeMarco teaches us that the traditional path, the slow lane, where you go to school, get a job, save diligently, and hope to retire comfortably in your 60s, is not the only way. Instead, he introduces us to the fast lane, a path where you take control, create value, and build wealth much faster. Here are the key principles you need to understand. Principle number 1, the right mindset. To get rich quickly, you need to think like an entrepreneur. It's about identifying problems and creating solutions that provide massive value. This mindset shift is crucial. You need to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Ask yourself, what problems can you solve? How can you serve millions of people? Remember, wealth is a byproduct of value creation. The more value you create, the richer you become. Principle number 2, leverage. To accelerate your wealth-building journey, you need to leverage time, skills, and resources. This means using technology, outsourcing tasks, and building systems that work for you. Think of businesses like Uber or Airbnb. They leverage technology to provide value at scale, rapidly increasing their worth. You can do the same, whether it's through an online business, investing in real estate, or creating a scalable product. Find ways to multiply your efforts and reach more people. Principle number 3, execution. Ideas are worthless without action. The fast lane is all about taking massive, relentless action towards your goals. It's not enough to dream big. You have to execute and adapt quickly. Remember, speed is key. The faster you execute, the quicker you learn, and the sooner you can adjust and improve. This might mean long hours and hard work initially, but the payoff can be extraordinary. Don't be afraid of the hustle. Embrace it. Principle number 4, the law of effect ion. This law states that your wealth is proportional to the number of lives you affect in an entity you control. Want to become a millionaire? Affect millions of lives. This could be through a product, service, or idea that significantly improves people's lives. Find your niche, create something of immense value, and impact as many people as possible. That's how you accelerate your path to wealth. So, there you have it, the principles of getting rich quickly, ethically, and effectively. Remember, get rich quick isn't about shortcuts or scams. It's about smart, strategic, and relentless action towards creating value and leveraging opportunities. MJ DeMarco's The Millionaire Fastlane is a treasure trove of wisdom on this topic, and I highly recommend you give it a read. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comments, what ideas do you have for creating massive value? Let's inspire each other on this journey to financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling and stay on the fast lane. Thanks for watching, and remember, your dreams are worth the effort. See you in the next video.